Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem.com. Since the beginning of the pandemic, Zoom has been ruling the video conferencing world. But did you know that your Google Workspace subscription includes a video conferencing tool at no extra cost? Yes, Google Meet has been the quiet workhorse for me and many small and large organizations alike throughout the last couple of years. While Google Meet started out with fewer bells and whistles than its most famous counterpart, it recently received many new features, and its latest superpower is one I have been really looking forward to. It's called Picture-in-Picture. Picture-in-Picture allows you to see your audience while presenting a window or a tab. And as a bonus, when you're not presenting, it also allows you to see the meeting participants even if you need to click away from the meeting window. Not that you would ever want to multitask in a meeting, right? Click the three dots inside a Google Meet session and you will be able to find the menu item Open Picture-in-Picture. Some of the other bells and whistles in Google Meet are host controls assignment, breakout rooms, recording, whiteboarding, polling, Q&A, background options, calling in from a phone or having Meet call your phone. Check your Google Workspace edition to see which of them are included in your edition. So, if you're looking to save money on video conferencing, look no further than your trusty old Google Workspace Meet. It's easy to work with because it doesn't require extra software on your computer, and it integrates with the other tools you already use on a daily basis. And the Google Workspace version doesn't even require participants to have a Google account. If you found this info about Google Meet helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.